Cheers, guys, and have a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Not bad, delicious. It's been about a month or so since I had wienerschnitzel. So, now let's dig into the chili cheese fries. Ooh, look at all that cheese pool. Oh my god. Look at all that cheese. All that melted cheese. We like that. So we're gonna eat it without the ketchup first. And we'll add some ketchup. Cheers. Blow on it. Cheers. Mmm. Oh, more of that cheese pool. Mmm. 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 The chili cheese fries are literally my favorite thing to get from wienerschnitzel. Delicious. Now I'm going to add my special ingredients. My ketchup. Mm. Delicious, man. Everything tastes good. Everything tastes great. Yeah. I wanted to pick a fast food joint that was nearby, near the mall, because I'm gonna be waiting a little bit here because someone I'm hanging out with has an appointment, and when she's done with that appointment, she's gonna give me a call, and then we're gonna make plans to hang out today. Either I'm gonna go to her in Costa Grande, or she's gonna come to me later on tonight.